Let me say something that might sound small but very dangerous. We are now slowly replacing our real food with artificial flavor, and everyone is comfortable with it. Everyone is applauding our own destruction. You see, strawberry, we don't need strawberry again, just strawberry flavor. Ginger, who has time to go for ginger roots? Just ginger flavor. Lemon, this one they've scattered everything. Lemon essence, lemon balm, lemon this, lemon that, lemon flavor. Banana that you and I know is now no need for banana. We don't need it, just banana flavor. And everyone is okay with it. The one that even disturbed me most is that many people now prefer the artificial version to the real food. As a nurse and a native doctor, this is not growth, this is not progress, this is not advancement, this is retardation, this is detrimental, and this is a big problem to our health. Let's be honest, real food comes with complexities. They have sharpness, they have bitterness, they have fibers, they have enzymes, antioxidants, and compounds that work together. But flavor, what are they? They are just shortcuts to satisfy our taste bud and not our body. Your mouth, just to satisfy your mouth. Oh, it is sweet in the mouth, but your body is confused. We are now in a world where children don't recognize real fruit taste. Adults think that bitterness is bad for the liver, and anything that is very natural is unhealthy. Let me ask you one dangerous question. If artificial flavor is so harmless, why is chronic disease on the increase? Diabetes, metabolic disorder, hormonal disorder, digestive disorder. Why are they on the increase? Comfort is killing us slowly. Artificial foods are not designed for longevity. They are designed for profit, addiction, and repeat consumption. See, they train your brain to reject nature and accept stimulation and crave for stimulation. Our ancestors survived on real food, real herbs, real bitterness, and real balance. But today, we are surviving on flavored drinks, flavored snacks, and even flavored health products. And you are wondering why chronic disease is on the increase? This is no longer just about health itself. It is about the future of humanity. And if we continue like this, the future generation will not know real food, just flavor. And it is dangerous, not just to the body alone, but for humanity itself. And real health is not always pleasant, but it is always worth it. Share this video to that your friend who still prefers strawberry flavored ice cream to the real strawberry. See you next time.